Hey garden friends, what's going on? AJ's Green Thumb here. So today I intended on doing a couple of videos in the front of the property, primarily on rose transplanting, rose pruning, and so on and so forth. But that may not happen today because this is what's going on. The block I'm on, we're getting our sidewalks and driveways redone. So this is what you're going to be hearing as I transfer some of my videography to the back. Okay, so this, like I said, is the driveway right here. Here's the machinery. You'll be hearing that a lot of jackhammering. So I wanted to do some video on pruning and caring for climbing roses, but like I said, that will not happen today. So I'll probably have to postpone that to later on this week. They are tearing it up. They are tearing it up. See? My rosebuds are all forming right now. All my rosebuds are forming right now. So it's really a good time to go ahead and start pruning them. Back here on the west side, I have this lady gardener right here, this climbing rose that needs attention. I may just end up doing the pruning and recording it and probably doing a voiceover. But see, the buds are really swollen. So it's time that they receive a good pruning. And I need to train it to go up that arbor right here. So right here in this corner, this is the east side of the property. It's called a carport garden. Not sure if you can see that, but that rose right here, that climbing rose right here, this is a Lady Banks. And I was very ambitious in putting it there because I had grand dreams of having the rose climb over the fence alongside the wall, the brick wall right here. And I don't think it's an opportune location. So I'm about to move that today. Let's see if I can come in for a better angle here with the shadowing and the sun and so on and so forth. But here it is. You guys are gonna see me taking this out today. And I'm gonna go ahead and replace her with a bunch of hollyhocks. Probably some delphiniums, things that can take morning sun. I'm pulling weeds as I'm talking. Right now is a good time, guys, to get a hold of all of these weeds before they get out of control. And as you can see, this one's already it's already flowering. So you want to go ahead and beat that. That's just going to spell chaos for your garden. Here I got some Rad Sunny roses. These are shrub roses. All the buds are swollen, as you can see. Let's see if we can focus. See that? When you start seeing leaf buds with the leaf tips are protruding through, you know it's time to go ahead and prune it. Get rid of some of these noxious weeds. This right here is nettle. Look at the roots. Look at the root structure on that thing. Goodness. Once these roots get in here and start taking hold like this, then they become established. See all of that back there? All of that back there, serious weeds. There's nothing glamorous about it. You just got to get in there and yank them weeds out. So I'm also battling some Bermuda grass. Nothing glamorous about pulling weeds. You just got to get in there and do it. But I just can't pass up pulling weeds that are clearly flowering. Now is the time to get them out. So I'm going to come out here a little later on after transplanting Lady Banks to do some more aggressive weeding. I know it's pain on your it's a pain on your back, I tell you. It is definitely a pain in the back. But luckily this is not a big area, so just yank them out and keep them moving. That one was a little difficult because it's right in the crevice right here. And I'm actually right-handed, so trying to hold a camera and weed with my left hand has proven to be a challenge. But yeah, the important note here is to attack your weeds as early as possible in the season. preferably before they start flowering. And when you do weed, try to get the entire weed out, including the root ball. I have to switch hands here. Look at that root mass. That still probably isn't the whole thing. I also have some old irises that didn't do too well over here. I can see why. Another thing about weeding, I don't know, I just can't weed well with gloves. It's that whole dexterity thing. Because you want to make sure you get a solid grip on the weed, and it's hard to do so with gloves on.